The year is 1980. In a snowy abyss, an Arctic cat roams free with a happy rider. But after some time, the cat is forgotten, left to rot in an old cube van. Days, months, years pass as she ages, until one day, a certain idiot opens the cube van door and falls in love. This is A Kitty's Tale. Meow meow.
But, yeah, oof, she's a nasty one. But it is fun to see if these old girls can start back up ever again. Well, I think the first thing here to go is going to be this guy here. It's a 1980 Jag. It's a 4000. That means it's a 440. A steel cleat track. When's the last time you seen one of those, eh? So besides the seat being all torn up, guess what? It's got all its foam. This thing was free, by the way. It was just sitting in the back of an old moving van that a guy wanted to get rid of. I was like, sweet, there's a Jag. Let's have it. So look under the hood. That doesn't fall off. That's kind of cool. You got a little 440 in there with the carb, single carb. That piece was in there, so don't worry. This wasn't. There's no mice living in here anywhere, because it does do this. Actual compression too. You can tell why I could give it a compression test, but I'm not going to. I don't care. We're gonna check it for spark. Freaking toolbox for tools. Freaking gas tank over here. That was easy. Oh, I love working on old stuff. It's pretty clean in there. Freaking mint is what it is. I'm gonna get this carburetor off. We're probably not gonna use that. What that is, it's a lever that when you pull on the throttle, pulls on that little guy that adds more oil according to throttle. But I don't trust them. I never have. And I'm not going to trust this one, so we're just going to take this bad boy off, and we're just going to mix the gas from here on out. A little cruddy. Actually, not the worst carb I've ever seen, that's for sure. When you're mixing gas, you want to make sure that you like the really expensive stuff, and you want to get the really good fuel, and then you want to mix this about like 1,000,000 parts to 1 or something like that. Very last jug, I don't know how it all got in that bottle. That was crazy. Some landfill is not going to be happy with me. No fires yet. Let's give her a little bit of a, you know, oh yeah, it has spark, it has compression, and now it has gasoline, so we know it's going to start, don't we? Yeah, you might have to get another 6er maybe. Oh damn. It's winter time. What the? Got a bad fuel pump. Get that on the old Spirit motor. There we go. We're going somewhere now. Could be a lot of things here. Alright, maybe that was it. So those coil wires were super long, and the spark plug gap was too open. It was cutting in and out a lot, and this didn't fix it. And I figured, well, maybe the coil's weak, so maybe there's too much resistance in these wires. I will replace the coil at one point, but we did that. We put a new boot on this one because it was being held on there by gravity. And guess what? She runs mint now, so we're gonna take it out. So she runs and jumps. Hell yeah. So we decided to take it to Beaver Lake, just above Kelowna there. We brought a Yamaha along, you know, with a nice tow strap, just in case, you know, if you're ever going to go out with an Arctic Cat, bring Yamaha with a tow strap. Rule number one, every time. So we're out there, we're just going to have a good old time with the friends, have some fire, hot dogs, and some snowmobiling action. Alright, so this sled has a little sensor in there that actually, so it's kind of like a lanyard. If you fall off the sled, it cuts it. So if there's no pressure on the throttle, we're going to bypass that and see if it makes any difference. This is one way to find out for sure. We jump these two guys. And hopefully Spencer gets a nice ride back.
Yeah, she bogged a lot.
It'll be flawless now. Okay, if that falls out, you're done.
She's just going to shut right off.
It'll just shut right off.
Yeah.
Yep. No.
Gotta poke some holes in her.
As of right now, the Arctic Cat lives to see another day, so hopefully we get to see some more of this thing. So once again, thank you so much for tuning into Adrenaline OK. If you like what you're seeing so far, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button. We're going to try to keep things as interesting as possible and as new as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some of our other videos. Y'all take care now.